massive nest in this shed. Have a look at this one here. This is a common wasp nest, and they are called Vespula vulgaris. Probably the most common wasp species that we deal with, and this was probably 2 feet wide. We're going to be treating it now, so we're about to inject it with an insecticide. And we try and get the nozzle in the key areas in the nest where it's going to get the wasps on every level, so that we do not get swarmed. Now, a lot of companies will actually rile the wasps up a bit more before they start the treatment. They might tap on the nest and do unnecessary things like that to try and get a good reaction video. Now, that's really not necessary. If you're quick on the treatment, very often you can eliminate a nest without seriously riling them up. You might get a few of them trying to sting, and of course we are wearing all our safety equipment, as you never really know how a nest is going to react, but there's really no need to stir things up. Now we're removing the outer shell here. This is the protective layer which protects the nest and also insulates it, keeps it warm or cool depending on the time of night and day and the temperatures. And you can see there are hundreds of dead wasps that have dropped to the bottom of the nest there, and they're all dropping down into a bag which we've got positioned just beneath the nest there. And we're just going to keep breaking that comb away, and let's have a closer look inside the nest. And there you have it. That's the core of the nest. So the outside does add a lot of the size to it, but this is the main parts of the nest. These are the cells where the queen will lay all of her eggs, where all of the wasps will go through their different life stages before finally emerging as adult wasps and joining the workforce. You can see all the larvae in the cells there, neatly lined up. They would then feed. Eventually they would cap their cells off, which is those white covers that you're seeing, and once they're ready they chew their way out as an adult wasp. You can see how many thousands of wasps you would get in a nest like this. Every single cell is another wasp, and the minute a wasp hatches, the queen's ready to lay another egg in that cell, and that cell is then ready to be reused. So now we're going to have a few stragglers which are coming back from foraging, and their nest is gone. They're going to make